Tony is a border collie mix. He's 3 months old.
So cute.
Really cute. He's about 20 pounds, so he's going to be a larger dog. He's got a lot of energy.
And he's got 2 different color eyes.
Yeah, his eyes are really pretty. He's really sweet, but he's definitely, his new family's going to have to do some training with him. He's a big puppy to handle.
A lot of personality.
A lot of personality. Exactly. But he's really sweet.
All right. And the next 2 are from the same litter.
These 2 are.
Okay, those 2.
Yeah. So this is Katie. Katie is a boxer lab mix. She is so sweet. She's 3 months old, weighs about 16 pounds now. Be like medium to large adult.
That's
She wants to see Sarah right now. She just wants to be on anyone's lap and cuddle up. So even though she's a puppy, she's like much more timid.
Oh, she's like
she's really gentle, sweetie.
So, and who do I have here? Molly.
So that's Molly. Molly is the tiniest one today. She's 9 pounds. She's 2 months old. She's a lab mix.
Let's not fight.
She's got a lot of energy too.
She does. She's got
she'll be a small to medium adult, so she'll be on the smaller side. So yeah, so she's really sweet.
Very sweet. And last but not least, Regina over here, who loves giving kisses.
So Regina is Katie's sister. They're kind of like twins if you see them together. But she's also 3 months old, boxer lab mix, about 15 pounds. Will be a medium to large adult. Really sweet. Just wants to sit with you and hang out and really friendly.
I'll do that. I love that. So cute.
She was falling asleep backstage.
So if anyone's interested, the first step is filling out an application, right?
Yep. You could find the application online, or you come in and fill out the application, and that's the first step. And then we ask that everyone in the family comes in to meet the pet and interact and see how that goes, and
make sure everyone gets along.
Make sure everyone gets along.
Yes.
And stuff like that. But yeah, you can find it online.
All right, and online you can go to buytowe.org, or you can call 1-866-262-8133. Molly started biting my microphone. All right, thank you, Jen.
Yeah, thank you guys for having us.
Thanks as always. Don't go away. We'll be right back.